Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Portrait Painting and the course code is 53124. Dear students, our topic is about acrylic and oil mediums. This is a practical topic. First of all, I would like to explain about this topic. Media. Medium or media. The material and tools used by an artist to create art. There are different materials, but I am going to discuss about acrylic and oil mediums. So, oil paint, oil colors are very versatile. You can do almost anything with them and they last practically forever. First used on wooden panels and then graduated to flexible stretched canvas. Used on large, bold projects. Pigment mixed with linseed oil. One of their main characteristics is that they take much longer to dry than acrylics or watercolor paints. You can remove what you don't like while it is still wet, rework existing paint, add more paint, or just paint over it when it's dry. Colors can be blended subtly and areas can be reworked easily, so sometimes take weeks or months to dry. Paint can become muddy from mixing colors and paint too much. Oil painting is much more forgiving than other techniques and a good choice for beginners. Famous portrait in oil paints. Girl with a pearl. Mona Lisa, oil on canvas by Leonardo da Vinci. Most famous painting. Use of oil colors. Another portrait in oil paint. You can see the smooth rendering of oil colors. Another painting in oil paints. Beautifully paint by using oil colors. Oil colors. This painting is made by using oil colors. The work of Pakistani artist Saeed Akhtar. He used oil colors as a medium for his portrait painting. Self-portrait, oil on canvases. Ali Azmat work, another Pakistani artist. Oil on canvas. Imran Ali Kazmi, another Pakistani artist whose work in oil on canvases. You can see portrait painting. The artist used oil paints for his painting. Acrylic medium. Acrylics come on the scene relatively late in the 1950s but quickly became popular. They are very adaptable and versatile and are capable of producing effects similar to oil paints or watercolors. They are water based and water soluble. Because they dry very fast, you need to work fast, especially if you wish to blend colors. Fast drying time can be an advantage or a disadvantage depending on how you look at it. Another great thing about acrylics is that you don't have to worry about odors or allergies which are common in oil painting. Synthetic artist color, also called polymer, made of acrylic resin polymerized through emulsions in water, can mimic the effects of oil, watercolor, tempera, and wash paints. Dries quickly and permanently. Keep brush in water while painting so they do not dry out. No messy solvents. Water cleanup can be used on a variety of surfaces. Surfaces don't need special preparation. Stays flexible, no cracking, no yellowing or darkening with age. Acrylic portrait painting. You can see use of acrylic paints in this portrait painting. Another example, acrylic painting. Pakistani artist work. Use of acrylic paints. Thanks.